3 ways to find out what is selling on Etsy right now. Let's go. So whether you're new to selling on Etsy and you're just looking for something to sell, or you're a seasoned seller and looking for products to expand into, today's guide is really going to help you figure out where to look in order to find what's trending, what's popular now, and what things for the year are in demand. So we're going to look at 3 sections of the Etsy website today, and then we're going to validate our research using Google Trends and also Sale Samurai. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so Etsy often sends out these marketplace insights, and this is always a good place to start. So they send these out for several seasons throughout the year. So this is the one for early 2023 trends, and you can go through here. It will tell you how to use the report, the colors of the year, the colors that they recommend using in your products, and then it will go through the next holidays coming up. So we have New Year, Valentine's, Mother's Day, and then some of the trends to watch, decor trends, style trends, and then different ways to use this report. And then you can just scroll through and see if you can get any ideas for your particular store. And they will give you search terms that buyers are searching for at an increase. So, for example, there is a 206% increase in searches for monthly budget. So they give you some really good keywords here, and you can scroll through and see if any would apply to your store. Here's some for Mother's Day. 56% increase in searches on Etsy containing a personalized gift mom. So that is something that you want to consider using for a keyword in your listings, and especially as we come up on Mother's Day in 2023. So I just always like to scroll through here and see what they are expecting the vibe to be of Etsy customers this year. And once you do that, then you can just make some notes and keep that in mind as you do your listings throughout the year. And here's an interesting style trend that I mentioned in one of my other videos. It says edgy embroidery. So an increasing popular topic on social media, embroidery is getting a fresh update in 2023. Consider tongue-in-cheek nods to the preppy origins of monogrammed bags and clothing, and try embroidery in unexpected places like a sweatshirt collar or denim jeans. Then we have Etsy's Popular Now section. And I'm going to link all of these resource pages for you down below so you can easily access this. So there's Popular Now section, and then you can also sort by category. If you want to sort by t-shirts, for women, whatever you want to sort by, and then you can also scroll down and look and see if anything stands out to you. So let's go ahead and just look at some of the apparel. So here's this I'm trying very hard not to connect with people right now shirt. And there is a I study trigonometry shirt, gun owner shirt. So what I would do as I'm looking through here is just jot down some of these keywords and maybe save some of these links to a notepad. And then there's also trending now in the marketplace, and you can also search by t-shirt or mugs, whatever you would like to look for. And you can also scroll through here. So this, so we have allergic to mornings, coffee now, wine later. Let's see, what else? I will teach art for coffee. And let's see, this is an alphabet teacher shirt for Valentine's Day. So then after I make a note of all of the listings and keywords that I see that are trending now, I would then go type those into Etsy search and see what the landscape is looking like to see if I can possibly stand out in that space. Then you can bring the keywords that you find from your market research over to Sale Samurai, and you can use the basic search right here, type your keyword in. So for example, will teach art for coffee, right? This is an art teacher shirt. So this has an Etsy competition of 1,700. So that's a really low competition. Then if we scroll down, we can see some other suggested keywords. Teach coffee, that has a search volume of 51, an Etsy competition of 9,374. So that's medium. Then we have coffee and teach. So that is 17 search volume. Etsy competition 9,374, and that is low competition. So then you can start to see some low competition keywords that you can use and some more ideas for products that you can make for your store. So then I typed in another one of the keywords that I saw on the Popular Now page, which is gun owner shirt. That is a low competition for 1,446. So that gives you a whole other niche idea to tap into. And if you scroll down to the keywords, you can find some other low competition keywords. So here's one that we didn't even see and may not have thought of. God, guns, shirt. Etsy search volume 100. Etsy competition only 931. So that is a really good one. So then you could take that keyword, type it in over on Etsy, see what kind of listings come up, and you just have so many different ideas of products that you can create that people are searching for, and that is not super competitive on Etsy, which is really important, especially when you're doing print on demand. So I have typed in another phrase that I saw in one of the listings, and this has a competition of only 210. And if you scroll down here, you can also see some other keyword suggestions, and you can see the keywords by Etsy search volume as well as Etsy competition. So let's take a look here. And how about this one? Trying hard not to connect mug. So rather than a t-shirt, you could maybe do that on a mug. It has a search volume of 52 and a competition of only 92. So that is a very small niche where potentially you could hop into with the mugs rather than the t-shirts. And then this keyword, I'm trying very hard, has an Etsy search volume of 215 and only a competition of 273. So that is a really cool keyword. I would take that, go over to Etsy, do some digging, and see what kind of product that I could put it on to stand out from what other people are doing on Etsy. So by using Marketplace Insights, the Popular Now page, and the Trending Now page, you can go down to tons of rabbit holes and find lots of ideas that you may not have otherwise found. And then using Sales Samurai is going to help you to validate those ideas and make sure you're not competing with a ton of other Etsy sellers, but you can also still see that there is somewhat of a demand with the search volume. So I hope you learned something new today on how to find what is trending and popular now on Etsy. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite takeaway was from today's video. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. I'm also going to link for you down below all of my best resources to help you succeed with Etsy print on demand. And as always, I'm also going to link my full YouTube playlist here so that you can watch all of my videos related to Etsy to help you succeed on the platform. So make it an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video.